The Electronic Entertainment Expo, also known as E3, opened its doors at the Los Angeles Convention Center today to an estimated 60,000 attendees from more than 100 countries.
E3 is the premier video game trade show in the world without peer.
E3 is owned and produced by Entertainment Software Association, or ESA, the association that represents the U.S. video game industry.
And we've added consumers for the last 2 years, and their experiences echo worldwide.
E3 means excitement, it means groups of people coming together and doing what they love. It's such an amazing place for collaboration and being together in the gaming space.
It's this time for you to personally feel like you're connected to a whole nother adventure and story. Even if it's just like a little farming game, it's a whole nother world other than this one.
I would say it brings families together just because of like what gaming can do, and it's not a bad experience. It's just family interactive.
E3 2018 promises to be the entertainment event of the year for almost 2/3 of Americans and 1/3 of the people around the world who play video games.